The Povzunets reflects Cossack skill and physical fitness, as performing this move requires a high level of control and endurance. It is an integral part of Ukrainian dance art and highlights the uniqueness of our cultural heritage. Hello and welcome to my class. My name is Max and I am going to teach you Ukrainian moves. Before you start learning this move, ensure your knees are strong enough. First, find a wall and lean against it. Imagine you are sitting on a chair with your arms folded on an imaginary desk, like a school student. Now, straighten your right leg, put it back and repeat the same movement with your left leg. Keep practicing. Now let's try the same movement, but without the wall. Go as slow as you can, without sitting all the way down. Step number 3. Let's sit all the way down, but place a chair behind you or something you can hold on to. It will help you distribute your weight. Step 4. Try to transfer your weight from the supporting chair to your legs when you feel confident.